Hi and welcome to my channel, Eleni's Art Stuff. My name is Eleni and I first came across acrylic paints and mixed media techniques in 2011, the year that I also discovered YouTube and later on Facebook. I learned many things from exceptional and generous online artists, and I fell in love with mixed media, painting faces, art journals, scrapbooking and all the artsy things out there. All the techniques that I know, all the supplies that I use and all the skills I have are all gained from online tutorials. So this YouTube channel is about sharing my art journey with you, and now while I'm enjoying what I learned, I want to give back what I can. And that is the reason I'm sharing with you mostly my process videos and some tutorials, collaborations and video hops with other artists, some daily or monthly art challenges, a few giveaways, and I also like to share with you free printable sketches as often as possible so that you can play along with me using your own art supplies. And you can do this even if you're not confident drawing yourself yet. I really hope you enjoy all of this, and I also hope to inspire someone else, to inspire you that have never tried this before, to let go of your fears and just do it. It will give you lots of fun time and healing stress relief. Thank you so much for being here and for joining my art journey. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.